Hi friend, today our topic is how to extract text from picture. We can get any text from picture in Microsoft Excel by using OneNote program. We will open OneNote and insert picture in the OneNote. Now on right click we can get here a option copy text from picture. We'll copy here and paste the text in Microsoft Excel. Here we can use text as we write in Microsoft Excel. So this is very easy way to extract text from picture. Please like and share video and subscribe the channel if you like it.